Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Today we're doing office makeover, desk, studio tour. I don't know what I'm calling this, but basically, if you checked out my last video, I went ahead and built this $50 budget edition setup that I got from IKEA. Very customizable. Love IKEA, but I'm actually going to be using this as a unboxing area product review, so I probably will keep it pretty much empty, but I went ahead and I pieced some pieces I got around my studio to set it up to show you guys what you can add to your desk to make it come to life. I hope you guys can get some inspiration from the items that I added to my desk to hopefully use in your setup. Let me know if you have any further questions about any of the items or my opinions on things, and I will be happy to share it down in the comment section. But I hope you enjoy this office desk tour minimum edition setup. Let's get it. On the previous episode, we built out a $50 budget minimalistic setup. Today we're going to do a tour of the desk and a review. The purpose of this setup is to have a separate clean desk ready to go for unboxings, product reviews, productivity. If you see anything you like, I'll have links down in the description for you to check out. Now let's break down the items. First is the desk. This is an IKEA Lemon tabletop. My choice of color was the oak and white with Atlas legs. The tabletop has a wooden frame built out of particle board and a recycled paper filling. It's lightweight and comes with pre-drilled leg holes for easy assembly. I chose this mainly because it fit into the budget and looked pretty fancy in my opinion. The tabletop is 47 inches. This tabletop comes in multiple color options, including black, white, and even other sizes ranging from 39 inches in length all the way to 78 inches. The legs are from IKEA too. These are the Atlas legs. They are roughly 27.5 in height. With the cost of $4 per leg and a simplistic design, they are the perfect choice for a nice clean look. On the floor sits the D-line cable management box. Since I need power for charging and plugging in devices, I wanted a clean look instead of seeing a normal rat nest of cables. I also zip tied the cables down the side of one of the legs for a cleaner look. Now the chair. The chair is from IKEA too. This chair is classified as a child's chair, but it fits my needs at a great budget option and is very comfortable for long editing sessions. No complaints here. Now, no desk setup is complete unless you have the LED strip behind it. This is a cheap $20 LED strip that has a remote to set up custom colors at your fingertips. This paired with a smart plug and boom, the LEDs become a smart light. Hashtag balling on the budget. Next up, starting from right to left, I have a Hector lamp from IKEA. I know, this video isn't sponsored by IKEA, but I love all their designs and prices are on point. Okay, back to the Hector lamp. I love the industrial look of this gray finish and the Pixar design. What's dope about this lamp is it has a 5-volt DC USB port, which I'm using to power my wireless charger next to it on the desk. Inside the lamp, I am running a Philips Hue E12 color changing bulb. RGB is life, bro. Following up, I have a wireless charging pad, small white IKEA plant. I also have my Sony a6300 camera. I'll be using this one for my overhead shots at this desk in the future. My main attraction here is my MacBook Pro. It's a 2012 model, but it gets the job done. Next to the left, I have a $10 Bluetooth speaker I picked up from Walmart that I had laying around the house. I chose this one because it matches the gray aesthetics with the gray Hector lamp, but it's loud enough to enjoy music, it's Bluetooth compatible, and it also has a 3.5 aux jack. I also have my Iron Man Funko Pop figure. To the left of that, I have the OG IKEA plant. I'm sure you've probably seen these in everybody's setup. Lastly, we have the star of the show, the LifeX tile light. This Wi-Fi enabled LED panel provides a sleek design with 16 million possibilities of color to choose from. I did a full review on this that I'll link in case you want to check it out. I love this light for the simple look, design, and feel. Well, that is all. How did I do with the setup? What did you guys like? Is there anything you would change or adjust? Let me know down in the comment section if there's anything that you would change up here. Okay guys, there you have it, my simple minimalistic setup of my IKEA $50 desk setup. I will say it's a little bit shaky, and I think that's due to the legs that I chose. I went with the Atlas legs. I really like the design, but they sell a lot of different legs. You can get trussels, you can get some wooden ones, so something a little bit more heavy may make the desk a little bit sturdier, but I am still happy with my purchase. But I also wanted to show you guys this small rig clamp and ball head. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well, but I'm basically using a mic stand with boom pole, and I am clamping this right here on top of that boom pole, and I have it angled on the desk so it doesn't tilt over. But it's gonna be perfect for my overhead setup when I do my unboxings and product reviews. And with this setup, it even comes with the adapter that screws directly onto a camera. This is like a multi-purpose tool. You can use this on pretty much anything, a table, anything you want to clamp on and mount your cameras pretty much anywhere. So it's awesome, real DIY with my overhead rig. Because at first I was gonna buy overhead rig arm, and that was gonna cost me about 70 bucks. With this was $10. I already had the mic stand with boom pole, so I just pretty much clamped it on there, and it's gonna be so awesome to do my overhead shot. So what do you guys think about the desk? What do you think about the accessories that I chose? I really tried to like match the colors up, keep the theme going. I also ended up switching out the black legs for white ones. I really like the white better. I think it contrasts well with this white frame on the desk. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration for your desk setup. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll be doing my main desk setup. I am so excited for that. I've already started putting pieces together. I know you guys can't wait for it. The desk is amazing. It is amazing, y'all. Can't wait to show you guys. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces!